The terms plant-based and veganism are often used interchangeably, but they represent distinct concepts with different implications for diet, lifestyle, and ethics. Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone considering a shift in their eating habits or lifestyle choices, particularly in the context of health, environmental impact, and ethical considerations. This text aims to provide a comprehensive overview of both approaches, highlighting their unique characteristics, benefits, and potential challenges. A plant-based diet focuses primarily on the consumption of foods derived from plants, including fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The emphasis is on whole, minimally processed foods, although some individuals may include processed plant-based products. The primary motivation for adopting a plant-based diet is often health-related. Research has shown that diets rich in plant-based foods can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that individuals who followed a plant-based diet had a 25% lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease compared to those who consumed more animal products. In contrast, veganism is a lifestyle choice that extends beyond diet. It is rooted in ethical principles that seek to avoid the exploitation and harm of animals. Vegans not only avoid consuming animal products, such as meat, dairy, eggs, and honey, but they also refrain from using animal-derived products in other aspects of their lives, including clothing, cosmetics, and household items. The ethical stance of veganism is often driven by concerns about animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and social justice. For instance, the production of animal-based foods is associated with significant environmental impacts, including deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, individuals aim to reduce their contribution to these issues. While both plant-based and vegan diets emphasize the consumption of plant foods, the motivations behind them differ significantly. A plant-based diet is primarily concerned with health outcomes, whereas veganism is driven by ethical considerations. This distinction is important because it influences the way individuals approach their dietary choices and lifestyle habits. For example, someone following a plant-based diet might occasionally consume animal products if they believe it aligns with their health goals, whereas a vegan would strictly avoid all animal-derived products. The nutritional profiles of plant-based and vegan diets can also differ, depending on the specific foods included. A well-planned plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients needed for optimal health, including protein, iron, calcium, and vitamin B12. However, individuals following a vegan diet may need to pay closer attention to certain nutrients that are more commonly found in animal products, such as vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron. Supplementation or careful food selection may be necessary to ensure adequate intake of these nutrients. For example, fortified plant-based milks and nutritional yeast can be good sources of vitamin B12 for vegans. Another important consideration is the social and cultural aspects of these dietary choices. Adopting a plant-based diet may be more socially acceptable in certain contexts, as it is often perceived as a health-conscious choice rather than a moral stance. In contrast, veganism can sometimes be met with resistance or misunderstanding, particularly in communities where animal products are a central part of the diet and culture. This can create challenges for vegans when dining out, attending social events, or interacting with family and friends who do not share their ethical beliefs. In summary, while plant-based and vegan diets share some similarities, they are distinct in their motivations, nutritional considerations, and social implications. Understanding these differences is essential for making informed decisions about dietary and lifestyle choices. Whether motivated by health concerns, ethical beliefs, or environmental considerations, individuals can benefit from a deeper understanding of these approaches and how they align with their personal values and goals. Continuing from the previous discussion, it is important to delve deeper into the practical aspects of adopting a plant-based or vegan lifestyle, including the potential challenges and strategies for overcoming them. Both approaches require careful planning to ensure nutritional adequacy, but the specific considerations may vary depending on the individual's motivations and dietary preferences. One of the primary challenges of a plant-based diet is ensuring a balanced intake of macronutrients and micronutrients. While plant foods are rich in many essential nutrients, some nutrients are more readily available in animal products. For example, plant-based sources of protein, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, may not provide all the essential amino acids in the same proportions as animal proteins. However, This can be addressed by consuming a variety of plant proteins throughout the day to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Additionally, plant-based diets can be low in certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Fortified foods and supplements can help bridge these nutritional gaps. For instance, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are good plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, while fortified cereals and plant-based milks can provide vitamin B12. For vegans, the nutritional challenges are similar but may be more pronounced due to the complete exclusion of animal products. Vitamin B12, in particular, is a critical nutrient that is naturally found only in animal products. Vegans must rely on fortified foods or supplements to meet their vitamin B12 needs. Iron is another nutrient of concern, as the non-heme iron found in plant foods is less readily absorbed by the body compared to the heme iron in animal products. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods, such as citrus fruits, alongside iron-rich plant foods can enhance iron absorption. Additionally, vegans should be mindful of their calcium intake, as dairy products are a primary source of this nutrient in many diets. Fortified plant-based milks, tofu made with calcium sulfate, and leafy green vegetables can help vegans meet their calcium needs. Another practical consideration is the availability and accessibility of plant-based and vegan foods. In some regions, finding a wide variety of plant-based products may be challenging, particularly in areas where animal products dominate the food supply. However, the growing popularity of plant-based and vegan diets has led to an increase in the availability of these products in supermarkets, restaurants, and online retailers. This trend is likely to continue as more people become aware of the health, ethical, and environmental benefits of reducing animal product consumption. Meal planning and preparation are also important aspects of successfully adopting a plant-based or vegan lifestyle. Planning meals in advance can help ensure a balanced intake of nutrients and prevent reliance on processed foods that may be high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. There are numerous resources available, including cookbooks, websites, and mobile apps that provide recipes and meal plans tailored to plant-based and vegan diets. Additionally, learning to read food labels can help individuals identify hidden animal-derived ingredients and make informed choices. Social support is another key factor in maintaining a plant-based or vegan lifestyle. Connecting with like-minded individuals through online communities, local meetups, or social media groups can provide encouragement, share tips, and offer recipes. It can also help individuals navigate social situations where their dietary choices may be questioned or misunderstood. Educating family and friends about the reasons for adopting a plant-based or vegan lifestyle can foster understanding and support. In conclusion, both plant-based and vegan diets offer numerous benefits, but they also come with unique challenges that require careful consideration and planning. By understanding the nutritional needs, practical considerations, and social dynamics associated with these dietary choices, individuals can make informed decisions that align with their health goals, ethical beliefs, and environmental values. Whether motivated by a desire to improve health, reduce animal suffering, or minimize environmental impact, adopting a plant-based or vegan lifestyle can be a rewarding and fulfilling journey.